top of the evening to some of you. Today, well, not today. Video is really just an explanation of upcoming videos that you will be seeing. I'm about to kick it up a notch for those who are interested in water-fed game, but maybe you're not a little unsure, you're a little bit uneasy about it. Wagtail is a nice transition, I should put it that way, into the water-fed game, because if you wanted to get the same kind of concept down and the same kind of results, the Wagtail Wave is a very good tool. So if you're new to water-fed and you're not unsure about what method to use on the severity level of the glass, and you're using water-fed anyway and come to find out that you have spots and you really don't know why, another option you could do is pure water squeegees. Now, let me just explain to you, it's fairly new to some people. Now, this has been around for about several years or so. Johnny Splash, he's been doing it, but I've never been able to make heads or tails on just what he was showing in his videos. You know, he tried to explain it to me, but back then, I really didn't grasp the concept. And I don't think most people did. You know, it takes a person to really be able to break it down and show them in layman's terms, pretty much, in order for people to say, oh, okay, that's what he means. So I'm going to really show you what a pure water squeegee could do. Some people have never heard of it. Some people have never seen it. It's basically not much to it, you know. There's different variations, and I'm not doing nothing new, but I am doing something new that no one else is doing, because I've developed my own way of cleaning and my own setup that fits my needs, because nobody works like me. I think everyone has their own unique characteristic about them. They walk different. They may talk different. They may smile different. They may fart different. They may put their shoes on different. They may clean a window different. You got people doing fancy stuff. You got people doing straight pulls. I mean, there's all types of flow, all right? So my flow is stick and move and clean it the best, most efficient way that I know I can. So that means my mind is always going, well, what could I do to get out of this job faster? I'm going to show you what a pure water squeegee can do. If you've never seen it and you don't know what one looks like, it's this right here. It's not much to it, but I'm actually going to use a smaller one that I've actually fabricated myself, because I don't have a small, this is a prototype, but I don't have a small one, but I had made that just recently, but I'm going to do it on this house I have coming up. So come back to the channel and watch what a pure water squeegee can do. Now, I'm going to tell you one thing. You don't squeegee a window like you normally would a regular traditional way. You have to do it a little different. Now, some windows have a coating on there. Some tend to be a little bit more resistance than others when you're moving that squeegee across the glass. Just like if you were squeegeeing tint. And you could forget about making a correction back with tint, because there's all types of resistance on that kind of a surface. But you will find that on different types of surfaces. So you'll find that it's very, very difficult to swivel a window with no kind of glide in it and expect to get efficient results. Now, I've already explained to y'all how to squeegee with GG4. You don't have a man hand grip on the squeegee. So maybe that means you got to change your technique up. I made a 20 something minute video about GG4 and what they don't tell you. You see, you got to change your technique up. You don't have to apply as much pressure that you normally would. You'll find out that you'll get along better if you don't put so much pressure, because that's more resistance you're applying on a surface that doesn't have any glide. Think about it. You think about it. You're applying the same pressure that you normally do, knowing that there's no glide in there. So that right there should tell you to back up off the pressure a little bit and just squeegee the water. Almost just barely touching the window. That's how you gotta be. Like this. You know what I mean? With your two fingers. That's how you gotta be. You gotta baby your moves. And you tend to not want to do fancy stuff with that kind of way. You just want to keep it simple. Ask Johnny. He'll tell you. Side pull Johnny, we call him. Just stick it in the corner. Boom. Now, with a pure water squeegee, that's exactly what you want to do. Keep it simple. Sometimes this works. Yeah, it might be a little boring and mundane, but that mundane thing will have you knocking out that job in no time. And you don't have to worry about if you got the corners well because you're doing pole work. And you don't have to worry about if you left spots behind because you're using a water-fed brush. You don't have to worry about, is that water-fed brush going to be enough to clean those windows because they haven't been done in a while. All these, what I'm telling you, you will see. I've given you the tools and the knowledge. It's up to you guys to make a decision. But this is Masters at Wagtail. Come back and join me as you see a pure water tool that I'm going to show you for the second time. The first time was just a little teaser. The second time, I'm going to really show you how to stick and move. I'm going to really show y'all. This ain't no joke, man. I'm telling you. I'm doing it big out here, son. Macafrackalacka. Peace, peace, peace.